We've seen a positive increase in sales activity in the first 2 months of 2012. Members reported something like 2,600 sales in January, which was 27% above January 2011, and we saw a further 15% increase to 3,000 sales in February. So again, February was 28% above where it was also in 2011. So this is a really positive start to the year. In terms of price movement, the data suggests there's very little movement in price, suggesting we're seeing sales across all price ranges, which suggests we've got far more of a balanced market with an increase in trade-up buyer activity. The other part of the market to look at is what's been happening with listings, and we've started the year off a lot lower than we did 2011, so we've started off at 13,500, and that's only increased by about 5% in the first couple of months of 2012. Now this compares with 2011 when we started the year off with something like 17,000, and it increased by 12% over those first couple of months. So we're certainly travelling a lot better in 2012 in terms of stock in the marketplace, as the market probably returns to some more normal sorts of levels.
Well, REIWA's latest rental figures for February show again continuing huge demand for rental property, with the vacancy rate dropping to 1.6% in February. That's down by 700 rental properties from 2.4% in the January market, and it's on the back of the continuing drop that we saw in December. So lots of demand for rentals out there, which is putting a lot of pressure on agents and the public. If you're attempting to rent a property over the next few weeks and months, make sure your rental application is in good shape and that you have all your references ready. The market is likely to continue to tighten. This is going to put upward pressure on rentals, and it'll certainly ensure that there's lots of demand. What's the reason behind this huge growth in demand for rentals? It's migration. As much as anything, interstate and overseas migration, as well as seasonal factors, are putting a lot of pressure on Western Australia and particularly Perth's rent market. The rental figures are telling us that the new median rent for rentals across the Perth metro area has now risen to $410 per week. That can be broken down with units and apartments at about $380 per week and houses at $420 per week.